Hello Hot Wheels collectors! Once again we will travel back into the past to have a look at an amazing muscle car. This time it's the legendary Mercury Cougar from 1968. Stay tuned if you want to see more. The Mercury Cougar, I can't wait to show it to you. The casting really captures that sleek, long hood short deck profile the Cougar is famous for. Glossy paint, chrome bumpers. This is a nice model. Check out the hidden headlights and that split grille. These are also features the Cougar is known for. The 1968 Cougar was Mercury's upscale answer to the Ford Mustang, offering more luxury and unique features. The car had vacuum-operated hidden headlights and sequential taillights. Very impressive, even from today's point of view. But please remember, it is 1968 we are talking about. This Mercury Cougar was first sold by Hot Wheels in 2014. This light blue variant is from 2022, and it is part of the Muscle Mania line. And a muscle car it was. Unlike the Ford Mustang, the car on which the Cougar is based on, the Cougar itself was only available with V8 engines. The largest one was a 7-liter monster, performing at almost 400 horsepower. The Cougar was also a bit longer than the Mustang. The Mercury Cougar is a muscle car on its own right and deserves to be remembered. If you want to build your own collection of classic Hot Wheels muscle cars, you may not forget about the Cougar. The light blue color may not be everyone's favorite choice, but it makes the car somehow unique, even in the Hot Wheels lineup. And that was the car I wanted to show you this time. Please join me again next Sunday for more Diecast Dreams on Wheels.